In 1921, when the Meadows at Runnymede were under threat of sale, the Simmons Jean family of nearby Runnymede House claimed it had been sealed on their land. In fact, the Magna Carta is unlikely to have been officially sealed at Runnymede at all. Oh, that's interesting.
Walking in history, counting our steps. Walking in history, fun and learning for all. Walking in history.
Cyclists passing us. We've seen people from America, Canada, France, Belgium, Germany, Canada, Australia, Canada,
New Zealand,
China?
Everybody wants to come to Runnymede, yes?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to come and discover Runnymede, discover the history of the Magna Carta. There's so much to see and do here. There's a little sign up here, BT Angel. Let's go and have a look at it. On this spot, King John agreed the Magna Carta at Runnymede. After Runnymede became a popular race course in the 1770s, claims were made about where exactly the Magna Carta was sealed. Some suggested a field at Runnymede, while others placed it over the river at, that word that I can't say, by an ancient yew. In 1834, George Harcourt, Lord of the Manor, built a cottage on Magna Carta Island. He ran a ferry from Runnymede, charging a penny for tourists. A penny, Colonel.
Yeah.
A penny, Beach Angel.
That is well cheap, TJ.
Well, in those days, pennies were a bit different to what they are today, weren't they, Colonel?
Oh yes.
It was worth a bit more. So he charged a penny to run his ferry from Runnymede to visit the house where a stone table described at the site where the Magna Carta was sealed was displayed. In 1921, when the Meadows at Runnymede were under threat of sale, the Simmons Jean family of nearby Runnymede House claimed it had been sealed on their land. In fact, the Magna Carta is unlikely to have been officially sealed at Runnymede at all. Oh, that's interesting. Instead, the document would have been sent to Windsor Castle, where the king's seal would have been attached by an official in the king's secretary, I guess that is. Towpaths were used by horses so they could pull the boats along, remember that?
Yeah.
Canals. And men who walked alongside the boats, pulling them with ropes and chains.
Yeah.
So when they got stuck or was a bit heavy, they would actually use the horses almost like a tractor, like a modern day tractor. And they would allow them to pull the boats along the river while the horses were walking on the towpath. That's why most canals have got towpaths, not for people, but for animals, for horses.
Horses.
Absolutely. There you go, BT Angel.
Oh, wow.
Let's continue. That was interesting, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. I didn't realise men pull ropes and chains to pull.
No, it's not men. It's the horses that were connected by the ropes and the chains that would then pull the boats along the canal.
Oh, okay.
So when they got like stuck or something like that, they're almost like modern day tractors, but they're just horses.
Hi Walking in History team, welcome to Runnymede, Surrey. Horses were used on towpaths because they were historically essential for pulling cargo boats along canals. The path is named the towpath because this is where horses or humans would tow the boats. This method was incredibly effective as a horse could pull about 40 to 50 times more weight in a boat over water compared to pulling a cart on land due to the low friction of water.
1 to 3, it depends on what they were...
And that's what originally the towpaths were designed for. Not for people, but for the horses. to pull them along.
Yep.
And it's what really got our industrial revolution going, really, wasn't it?
Yep, before the engine
The canals and the waterways, they were, hello.
before the engine was invented.
Absolutely, the canals and the waterways, they were the backbone of our industry, weren't they?
Yep.
Our transportation, if you like.
Until the industrial revolution.
Yeah, until the combustion engine came about.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
And that put men and horses out of work.
Yes, you're right, but the foundation is still the same because a car has horsepower.
Yes.
So that kind of goes back to how many shires you got under the bonnet.
Is there a direct connection between horses and brake horsepower? Yes, there is a direct connection between horses and brake horsepower, as the term horsepower was invented by James Watt to compare the power of his steam engine to the strength of horses. Brake horsepower is a specific measurement of an engine's usable power after accounting for losses, while the original concept of horsepower was the rate of work an average horse could do. Now you know, viewers. If you like this content and want to see more, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and click that bell for notifications.
The horses, when it wanted to stop, well, what was the narrow boat went, narrow boat went past the horse.
Like they say, Colonel, why go abroad when we've got all this at home?
You don't need to go abroad.
It's absolutely stunning. We've met lots of...
Save yourself a few £1,000 and stay in Britain.
There you go, Colonel's advice, save yourself a couple of quid.
Finally got my coffee.
Ah!
And the lady that served it is Polish.
And how much did you pay for it, Colonel?
£3.
That's 50p less than the other place.
Yep.
But it's bigger.
It's big, much
There
bigger.
you go, viewers, the Colonel is happy. So
Yeah.
here comes the boat, viewers.
Okay.
Let's say hello when it comes past.
Get everybody on the bank. Get ready to wave. Everybody wave. There we go, everybody wave. There we go. Keep waving. There you go.
Hooray!
Woo! Hooray! There we go, lovely.
Ahoy there!
Sunshine.
Here at Runnymede.
Yes, TJ.
So it's been a wonderful day. We're going to leave the viewers, BT Angel and Colonel, with this beautiful view of the sun shining onto this wonderful lake here at Runnymede. So viewers, if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share.
Right on!
And don't forget to kick that bell.
Big up, big up, big up.
Check out the view from sky, too.
Charter of the land, and guardian angels sang the strain. With matchless beauty crowned, and manly hearts to guard the fair. Shall thou rise, for dreadful from each foreign stroll, for dreadful from each foreign stroll. As the blast that bears the skies, serves not to root thy native old.